What's up, family? How you feeling? It's your boy Pastor Dre, and today I want to walk you through step by step on how you could build a nice WordPress website for your church from scratch for free. Let me get my little volume set up over here. Turn it down a little bit. But it's good to see all of you. I want to welcome all of you that are live, and if you're going to watch this on pre-recorded, after it's already been live, you are also welcome. All right, go ahead and share the link, man. Get the link out, get it going. If you need a website for your church, I'm going to show you how to build one from scratch for free. So let's do this. You ready to get into this? All right. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them in the comments section. I will try to help you out. If this video does help you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. All right, let's do this. All right, first thing I want you to do is we're going to go ahead and go to my website, PastorDre.com. All right. I want you to go ahead and go there. We're going to get into this. Get comfortable, get yourself some water, get yourself some tea, however you want to do it, some coffee, but get comfortable because we're going to build a website from scratch. Now, our goal, I'm going to show you right now what our goal is going to be. Our goal is going to be to build a website that looks just like this one. This is going to be our goal right here for free. This is rocking. You got a nice little image, got a welcome video you can put. I'm going to show you how to build a live webcast. I'm going to show you how to build a blog. I'm going to show you how to build a small groups page. I'm going to show you how to build a podcast page. And I'm going to show you how to build a contact us page. This is a plush website, and it's all for free. All right, you ready to do this? This is our goal. All right, so once you're at my website, PastorDre.com, I want you to go ahead and go where it says free website. Click right there. Now, when you click there, it's going to take you to a page that looks just like this one. All right. Now, when you get to this page, we got to decide on a domain name for your website. That's right. We got to decide on a domain name for your website. A domain name is yahoo.com, google.com, facebook.com. Now, remember, this is a free website. So you will have what's called a subdomain. So your website will be at, say, mychurch.siterubics.com or mywebsite.siterubics.com. But for free, it'll get you started. Okay, so what I need you to do, go ahead and decide on a domain and let's see if it's available. I'm going to say, let me see, Pastor Dre's website. That's what I'm going to try. Pastor Dre's. I'm just going to say Pastor Dre website. Let's see if it's available. Up, not available. Okay, Pastor Dre webinar. Let's try that. Pastor Dre webinar. It's available. All right, so you need to make sure it is available. All right, and then once you decide on a domain name and your domain name is available, I want you to go ahead and click build my free website. Okay. All right, once you click that, it's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. I want you to go ahead and put your email address, enter your name, choose a username, and choose a password. Now you're saying, Pastor Dre, why do I got to enter all this stuff? Because you are joining a community of people that specialize in building websites, getting traffic to your website. It's kind of like a Facebook community, but this community is into building websites, get traffic to your website, and a lot of good stuff. Now, there is a free membership, there is a paid membership. I'm going to show you how to get the free membership. And if you want to get the paid membership, you can. I mean, there's so many features that come with the paid membership. It's off the hook, but you don't have to do that. I'm going to show you how to do everything for free. The cool thing about it is if you do join, I get a little love. I get a little commission. So, they'll send a little love my way. All right. So once again, enter your email, username. Your email, your name, a username, and then a password. All right. Once you decide on that, go ahead and click go to my account. Well, I'm going to go ahead and log into my account because I have one already. So I'm going to get to the same page that you're on once I log in. All right. So once you log in, you set everything up, your page looks like this. I want you to go ahead and click right here where it says free domain. It says, what kind of website do you want to build? We're going to build one on a free domain. Okay. And once again, enter the domain that you entered on the previous page. Mine was Pastor Dre webinar. Oh, right? And then enter a title for your website. I'm just going to say Pastor Dre's, or I'm just going to say how to build a WordPress website from scratch, or for your church. Let me put that for your church. Now, you could put whatever you want. If your church is called the On Fire Church or the Radical Church, you could put that as the title of your website. Okay. Then scroll down right here. We'll choose a design for your website. You're only going to have one. So go ahead and click that. Choose a theme. All right. Click that one theme that's available for you. I have plenty of themes because I'm a premium member, but you're not going to have all those options, which is okay. So go ahead and click the generate press theme and then click build my website. Now it's going to take about maybe 5 to 10 seconds to build your website. Now, this is the cool thing. Once it's done building your website, it's not like you have to wait. Your website is going to be live and up and running. So that's the cool part. Okay. So that's the cool thing about it. So right now it's done. So if I click right here where it says website URL, if I click that, it's going to take me to my actual website. There it is. That's how simple it is to get everything started. Okay, now this is not our finished product, but that's how simple it is to get a website up and going. Remember, this is our goal, and this is what we have now. So I want you to go back to this page here, and I want you to click log in now. Go ahead and click that. And that's going to take you to what's called a dashboard. This is your dashboard. Let's get busy. All right. So what I want you to do now is I want you to go over here where it says settings, and I want you to click writing. Okay. And then see where it says block editor, tick that. See where it says yes, go ahead and tick that. Then I want you to click save changes. All right. After that, I want you to go ahead and go where it says appearance, customize. Go ahead and click on that. All right. We're just making some behind the scenes changes right now to get us ready to roll. Right where it says site identity, I want you to tick hide site title. And then where it says tagline, you could just copy your site title, copy it, and then paste it in the tagline. Okay. You could do it like that and go ahead and click publish. And I want you to make sure that hide site title is ticked and hide site tagline is ticked. All right. Once that's done, go ahead and click the X at the top. And I want you to click where it says dashboard. Go ahead and click that. All right. So now if we go to our website, once again, this is our existing website. Go ahead and hit refresh. That's how our website looks now. And once again, this is our goal. Let's get busy. All right. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add some pages to our website. Our goal website has 6 pages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to add 6 pages to our website right now. So I want you to go to pages and then add new. First page we're going to add is our home page. So let's go ahead and add that in. You could hit X right there where it says add title, click there, and then I want you to type in home. And then I want you to click publish and click publish again. Click the W at the top left, click add new. Then I want you to click live. I want you to type in where it says add title, live webcast. Right? Click publish, click publish again. Click the W and let's click add new. And then we're going to add what's called our blog page. So once it's done loading, go ahead and click add title and type in the word blog. I want you to click publish and publish again. All right. Click the W and click add new. And now we're going to add our small groups page. So where it says add title, click in there and just type in the word small groups. Okay. I want you to go ahead and click publish, top right, click publish again. And then click the W and let's add our podcast page. So click add new. Okay. And then I want you to type in the word podcast, PODCAST, and then click publish and click publish again. And the last page we're going to add is our contact us page. So go ahead and click the W, click add new, and then I want you to click in the area where it says add title, and I want you to type in contact us. Okay? And then click publish and publish again. All right, go ahead and click the W. Now, in the pages section, you can go ahead and delete the sample page. So just go ahead and click trash right underneath sample page. Leave the privacy policy page. You want to leave that. Go ahead and click dashboard. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our existing website and we're going to refresh it by clicking this circle right here. We're going to click that. Now, if you notice, we have 6 pages on our website. Pretty cool, huh? But right now, it looks like a blog instead of a website. I'm going to show you how to get it to turn into a website. What you do is you go back to your dashboard, and I want you to click Settings. Click on that. Then I want you to click where it says Reading right here. Click on that. And where it says a static page, I want you to click on that. Where it says Home page, I want you to click Home. And where it says Post page right here, I want you to click blog. And then I want you to click save changes. Okay. Go ahead and click dashboard. Click dashboard. And now I want you to go to your website. Let me get some water. Okay. Now that you're on your website, we're going to go ahead and click refresh to see if we see any changes. There we go. Now you have a web page instead of a blog. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of where it says home, and we're going to get rid of these things on the side here. If you notice, our goal website doesn't have that stuff on the side. So how do you get rid of the home and the stuff on the side? Go back to your dashboard. I want you to go to pages, and I want you to go where it says home right here. Click edit block editor. Go ahead and click that. Okay, then after your page is done loading, what I want you to do is see where this the eye thing pops up. Click that. That's going to make home disappear. Then go over here to the right. See where it says sidebar layout. Click that. Where it says no sidebars, click that. Then I want you to click update. Okay, now we're going to go to our existing website and let's click refresh. See what happens. There we go. We have a blank page. We're on the move. We're moving. We're moving. Let's go. Next thing I want you to do is we're going to add this image right here, this background image. Now, I have an image on my hard drive that I downloaded from the internet. If you have a graphic designer, someone that can make a nice image for you, maybe you're worshiping at your church, maybe your pastor preaching, however you want to do it. But if you have a graphic designer, they can make you a really nice image, okay? And like I said, it could be of your church, your pastor preaching, maybe people fellowshipping at your church. You could add whatever image you want. You just got to upload it to your hard drive, okay? And I'm going to show you how to add that now. So what you want to do is go ahead and go to Pages, go to Home page, and click Edit Block Editor. Click that. All right, good stuff. Come on now. And then what I want you to do is once your page is done loading up, click this black plus right here. And I want you to type in the word cover, Cover. You're going to have the option to select this cover right here. Go ahead and click that. And then it's going to say upload. See where it says upload right there? This is where you're going to upload your image. So I have an image on my hard drive already. So I'm going to click upload. And then it's going to take me to my hard drive. So I'm going to go ahead and search my hard drive for the image I want. So just give me a few seconds. Let me search it there. Live webinars, webinar pics. All right. So I'm going to put, let me see. I'm going to put this image here. Let me see if that's the correct image. Go ahead and click update. No, if that's not the correct one. Let me see. Let me get the correct image here. Sorry about that. Let me click on here, replace it. Let me go to upload and get the right image. Okay, I believe this is the image here. Let me click update. Okay. And let's see what happens here. I think that's it. It's going to take a little while to load because it's a pretty big image. So let's just give it a little time. Let me click refresh. Okay. Your image might not take that long to load, but let me see what I got. Let me go ahead and refresh my website. Okay, somehow the image didn't change. Sorry about that. Let me replace this image here. Upload. Boom. Let me just go ahead and delete it. I'm just going to delete it, and then I'm going to start over. So we go to cover. Boom. Upload image. Boom. There it is right there. Boom. All right. So now I click update, and then my image is uploading now. Let's give it a little time. And then I'm going to click refresh over here. Yeah, okay, good. So it's uploading. All right. So that's while that's doing that, what we're going to do. Oh, here it is. Good. Okay. So now, once your image is uploaded, you can click on it. And if you see this little option over here, you can move it up or down. See, just by sliding on it. That's cool. Sliding up, sliding down. So I'm going to go about right there for that image. Then I'm going to click update. Okay. Now, let's go to our website, click refresh. There it is. We're getting there. This is our goal, and this is where we're at now. But if you notice, this image doesn't spread out all the way across the website like this one does. How do you fix that? What I want you to do is click the image, okay? Click right above it, right there. That's where you want to click. See this how the options change? Look on the right. If I click the image, I got those options. I click right above it, I get those options. These are the options you want. What I want you to do, see where it says content container? Go ahead and click full width. There you go. Go ahead and click update. And then we're going to go ahead and click refresh. There it is. Nice. Okay. Next thing we want to do is we want to add My Cool Church and then join us every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. for our live webcast. So the way you do that, you go back here and then you see where it says write title. You click on there. You just type in the title of your church, or I'm just going to say Pastor Dre's website or Pastor Dre's webinar. Type whatever you want. Boom. You can do it like that. You could type in My Cool Church, that, okay? And then you just click enter. Then you're going to have another line. And you can type in tune in to our live webcast every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. Boom. And then you just click on the text, click these lines right here to center it. So I'm going to click the lines and click align text center. There you go. If you want this to be bold, you just highlight the text and you click the B and it bolds it for you. If you want it to be bigger, you just come over here where it says typography. You can do huge, or you could even dial it in more with these numbers. If you click the arrows, it gets bigger or smaller. If you go up, it gets bigger. You go down, it gets smaller. So let's go with about 55. I like that. And then here you click this text. If you want to resize it, just come on over here, do the same thing. You can go with large. That's kind of too big. So let's dial it down with the arrows. Let's go with 25. I like that. And then you click update. So now let's go to our website here. Click refresh. There you go. We're making progress. We're getting there. All right. So how do you add this button? Well, you add the button, you go back to your home page, go after your last sentence and click enter. And then I want you to click the blue plus, go to this area right here and type in button, Button, and you're gonna have the option for a button. Go ahead and click that. Okay, so now if you see here, your button has showed up. So go ahead and type in, let's type in view webcast now, or whatever you want to type in. Okay. And then you just go ahead and click on the button, and then you could change the color settings. We want our right here on the right. So you got your text color. We want white. Button color, maybe gray or red, or you could do orange. You could do yellow kind of. You could do blue. I like the blue one. Purple looks nice. The orange one is off the hook. So let's go ahead and do the orange one. Okay. And then to center the button, you click around the button, right around there. Make sure this box shows up around it. Click these lines right here, and then click align center. Boom. There you go. And if you want to bold the text on there, you just highlight it and click the B. There you go. All right. And there you go. And then you click update. Come on, somebody, you're making progress. I'm not feeling that orange button, so let me change the color. So I'm gonna click the button. Then I'm gonna click color settings. Then I'm gonna go over here. Let me try. I think the yellow is decent. The red is cool. Let's stick with the red. And I click update. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and check it out. Let's go to our website, our existing website. Click refresh. There you go. That's rocking. I like it. I like it. All right. So we got the top part done. Now, how do you add welcome to the cool church? Well, all you got to do, see this black plus right here? Click that. And then in the box, I want you to type in the word paragraph. Okay. And then select that option, paragraph. And it's going to give you an option over here to start writing. So you could just type in my cool church, or whatever, the on fire church, whatever the name of your church is. All right. Okay. So you could put welcome, we welcome you to the cool church. Boom. You just type it out. All right. Now, if you want to center it, you pretty much do the same thing. Click on your text, click these lines, and click Align Text Center. You want to make it bigger, click the text, go over here to the right, pretty much the same thing like you did before, and make it large. That looks nice. All right. If you want to bold it, you got to highlight it and click the B, and then it makes it stand out. That's rocking. And you click Update. Okay. To add the next line, that says the church that is on the move for God. So then what you do, you just go after your last text and you click enter. And then you can say, just start typing the church that is on the move for God, right? And then once again, to center it, click the text, click these lines, align text center. To make it bigger, come on over here. You can go with normal, go with medium, go with large. I'm going to go with 25, so I'm going to dial it down with the arrows. Boom. And you click update. So let's see what we got now on our existing website. Let's click refresh. Man, that's rocking. And you've done all this for free. All right. So next thing we want to do is we want to add these images here where it says live webcast, small groups, church podcast. The way you do that is you go here, you go after your last word, click enter, and then you click the blue plus, and then I want you to type in the word columns, COLUMNS, and it's going to give you the option for columns. So we're going to click that. And then I want you to select the 3 columns, 33, 33, 33. Go ahead and select that. Now, go ahead and click update, make sure your stuff is saved. And what we're going to do is we're going to add 3 images. Once again, these images are already on my website, or on my hard drive, on my computer, I should say. And I just did a simple image in Photoshop, nothing complicated. But like I said, if you have a good graphic designer, they could hook it up for you, and then you just upload your images. So the way you upload an image here, you click the plus, and you type in image. You want to search for image. So IMAGE. And then you have this image option right here. You click that. And then you go ahead and click upload like you did before. So let me go ahead and get my images here. Go ahead and find my images. Let me see. Where's it at here? Boom. Let me get my images. Let me see. Webinar. Boom. Webinar pics. Okay, so I'm going to get the live webcast. So I'm going to do that. And there's my image. Go to the next one. Select image. And then I'm going to upload the image, which is my church podcast image. So let me go ahead and upload that. Okay, then I'm going to do the same thing here. Go to the plus, select image, go to upload, and then I'm going to select my small groups image. Okay, so there's the images. Now I'm going to click update. Once it's up, once it's done updating, it's just uploading. Okay, and then the cool thing about it is you could center these images. So if you go here, right, and then you get this line right here, then you click Align Center. Click the image, go to the line right here, click Align Center. Click the image, click these lines right here, click Align Center, click Update. So now when we go to our website and we click refresh, it should look pretty cool. There we go. Rocking. Now this is our goal. I think we're doing pretty good so far. Now, if you notice under here, there's some typing. I'm going to go ahead and copy that type for the sake of time, so I don't have to type it out. So I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to put that underneath the image. How do you do that? You click the image, and you click the plus, and you select paragraph, and then you just paste it. Or you could type whatever you want. I'm just going to paste it for the sake of time. Boom. Same thing here. Click the image, click the plus, click paragraph. And just to give you an example how you could type, you could just say in to tune in to our church podcast. Boom. Where we discuss hot topics. Okay, boom. And if you want to center it, just click the text, go to these lines, and you click Align Text Center. There you go. Same thing here. Small groups, you click the plus, type, click paragraph, and you just start typing. Feel free to join any one of our small groups throughout the week. Boom. There you go. And to center it, once again, click the text. You click the lines, align text center. Boom. Let's go ahead and update it. Let's go ahead and refresh our website by clicking the circle here. Let's see what we got. Scroll down. There we go. All right. So now we're going to add a welcome video. How do you do that? Well, you go back to your page, click the plus here. Okay. And then you could put paragraph, or you could do a cover. We're going to do cover, okay? Cover, and then select cover. And then I want you to choose maybe gray or whatever color you think looks good on your website. I'm just going to choose gray and then start typing. Here is a welcome video from from our newcomers team. Okay, it could be a video from your pastor, from your PR person, from your newcomers team, however you want to do it. Any video that you can upload to YouTube, you could put it on here. So we're just going to say it's a video from a newcomers team. Then you go ahead and click enter, and then you click the plus, and I want you to click columns right there. Click columns and choose the 3 columns. Okay. And then the middle one, I want you to click plus and then type in the word video. You're going to see a YouTube option. Go ahead and click that. So now what I could do is I can go to YouTube and select any video I want and put it on my website. So let's go ahead and get a video from my website. Let me go to my channel and let me see what video I want to do. Let me see here. Find a video really quick. Okay, let's take this one. So I'm going to click it, and you can do whatever video you want. That's the cool thing, okay? So then I'm going to click share to get the video on my website. You click share, then you click copy, okay? Then you go back to your website, and the code you copied, put it in this box right here, and you paste it. And you click embed, and there's your video. Go ahead and click update. All right, let's go and take a look at our website. Let's refresh it. Scroll down. There we go. There's the video. But if you notice, the video is a little small, so we want to make it a little bit bigger. How do you do that? The reason I had you make the columns is so you can use the columns to resize your middle video, the video in the middle. So you click on your column. See over here where it says column settings? Go ahead and slide it to the left and see how your video is getting bigger. So go to about 15, and you could dial it in with the arrows 15. Same thing with this one over here. Click it, select this column, slide it to the left, and go to about 15. You can dial it in with the arrows. Boom. And you click update. Now we should have a nice video right in the middle. Let's click refresh. There it is. Rocking. And you can make it bigger or smaller with the way you adjust the columns over here. Like if you want to make it a little smaller, you can go to 20. Okay. So you want to make it a little bit smaller. Just make that one 20. Go over here to the right column and make that one 20. Boom. Click update. and then you go to your website, you click refresh, and your video will be a little smaller. That's plush. That's plush. And there you got a home page. It's rocking. You did all this for free. So now what we're going to do is we're going to link this button to our live webcast page, and we're going to link these images to the respective pages. How do you do that? What I want you to do is go to your go to your button, and see this little link, click that. Now we're going to go to our website, and I want you to click on the live webcast page. The page you want to link to, click it. So now we're on our live webcast page. Go to the top up here and select this URL. Copy the whole thing from beginning to end. You copy it. Okay? Boom. And then you go back to your website. After you click this little link, you put that URL in this box and you click the arrow. You're good to go. Same thing here, live webcast. We already have the live webcast link because we linked it to our live webcast to this button. So all I got to do is click the link, paste the URL there in that box, click the arrow. Now, church podcast, I click the link, I click the image, click the link, and then go to my church. Where are we at? Church podcast. Go to my church podcast page right here. Then I select the URL. I'm going to copy it, go back to my website, and paste that URL right there in the box. Boom. Okay, now we're in our small groups. Click the image, click the link, go to our website, visit our small groups page, grab this URL, copy it, go back to my website, and then paste that URL right there. Boom. Arrow, click update. Now I'm going to refresh my website. Boom. And when I click view webcast now, it should take me to the live webcast page. If I go to the home page and I click this church podcast, it should take me to the podcast page. There's no content on it because we haven't built the page yet, but we'll get to it. Same thing with the small groups. If I click small groups, it takes me to the small groups page. There's your home page, ready to rock and roll, looking plush too. Man, that looks plush. All right, let's build our live webcast page. Remember, this is our goal, right? This is what we got. Not bad, not bad. All right, so let's go to our dashboard. Go ahead and click the W, excuse me, and then go to your live webcast page. So go ahead and click Edit Block Editor. All right, and we're going to build out our live webcast page. Now, here's your live webcast page. What I want you to do is go ahead and type in whatever you want. You could say, tune in every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. to our live webcast. Boom. All right. And once again, if you want to make it bigger, you click the text. Come on over here. You can make it medium. You can make it large. Oh, that was huge. Sorry. You can make it large. I'm going to go with 25 since we did the other ones as 25. Let's go ahead and keep it uniform. And I'm going to click update. Now I'm going to show you how to add a live webcast to your website. This is rocking. You need to have a YouTube account in order to do it. YouTube is free. So all I got to do is go set up a free YouTube account. And what you want to do is go to your YouTube, click this plus, and click go live. Okay. Now, when you click go live, it's going to take you to this page. All right. Now, what you want to do is see where it says schedule stream, click that. Okay. And then you click create new. Now, here's your title of your stream. I'm going to call it Sunday Morning Celebration Service. Boom. Then I'm going to scroll down here and we're going to go live, say on Sunday, November 15th. Time, you want to choose 9 a.m. because that's the time your service is, right? We said 9 a.m. to tune in. Now, scroll down. Is it for kids? No. Then you click create stream right there. You click that. Now, what it's going to do, it's going to build a live stream for you. Now, once it's done, see how it goes right here? November 15th, it's up and running. So when you go live on November 15th, this feed will be on your website. That's rocking. Now, here's the cool thing. YouTube will do a countdown for you. So let me show you. So we've already set up the stream, right? Now, to put it into our website, all you got to do is click the picture of your stream, go over here to this arrow, click that, and then click this box right here. It'll say copy video link. Click that. Go back to your live webcast page. Now, click after your webcast. I want you to click after that, and then click the plus, and then click video, YouTube, right there. Boom. And then that URL that you copied, I want you to paste it in this box right here and click embed. Now look what just showed up on your website. A cool video feed. Now we're going to go ahead and click update. We're going to go visit our live webcast page. This is our website. Let's visit our live webcast page, and there's your feed. That's rocking. Now, if I come early, it says here, tune in every Sunday morning at 9 a.m., right? Now, remember, we set the time and all that here. So if I'm here and I click early and I think you're going to be broadcasting, look what YouTube will do. Live in 3 days. It'll tell you when it's going to be live. That's rocking. So now when you go live, people can watch you on your website. Come on, somebody. I see a few churches promoting their live webcast on social media. That's cool, but you want to promote your webcast on your website. So instead of sending people to social media, send them to your website. And then you have a designated page where people can view your service. That is rocking. There's a lot of benefits to doing that. One benefit is I could put a giving button right here underneath this, and people could give right here on my website. You can't do that on social media. You have to click a link, and then the link takes you somewhere else. And then by that time, you logged out of the feed because your phone went to a different page. Real simple. Let me show you how to add the button. You click plus, and you just type in the word button. Boom, button. Going to give you the option for 2 buttons. Click that. And then here, you just click on here, and you can change the text from, oops, sorry about that. Change the text from download to give now. Just type it in, give now. And then this text, we're going to change the color first. So the way you change the color, you click the button, go on over here, and we're going to make it white. And then you can make this your contact us. Boom, just put contact us. Boom. And you hit update. So now if I'm watching your service, watch what happens. I go to your live webcast page. I'm going to click refresh. Now when I'm watching, I can give and I can contact you. What all I got to do is link these buttons to my give page. Okay? We haven't built the give page, but if you have a giving link like PayFast, PayPal, whatever, there's a lot of services that where churches, they have companies that you set up your online giving through. All you got to do is put your link to this button. So I click the button, click the chain, like the little link. I'm just going to use PayPal. Okay. So say I had a link and it's PayPal. I'm going to type that in, paypal.com. Of course, you would put your custom church link. And then you just click the arrow and make sure you click open a new tab. You click update. You are good to go. So if I come over here, I click refresh. Now, when I'm watching your webcast and I want to give, I click give now. It doesn't take me away from your webcast because I clicked it to open up in a new page. So here's my new page. So now, of course, it would be your custom giving link. So I could go ahead and give. The music's playing. I'm listening to the service still. The worship team is jamming. I've given my tithes or giving my offering. I'm back in the service. Done. I see a lot of churches promoting give, watch your service on watch their services on social media, watch our services on this social media platform, but it's hard to give on those platforms because you have to put a link in the comments section or a link in whatever, different sections. Then when you click the link, it's difficult. It takes you to a whole nother page. And then you lose the page because now you opened up another link and you lost the service. Here, simple. You're in the service. Boom. Click the give now link. Boom. Takes you to another page. Boom. You give. Boom, boom, boom. Fill out your information. Done. I'm still in service. That's rocking. All right, let's go ahead and build a blog page. The way you build a blog page is you go to your dashboard. So let's go to the dashboard. All right. And then you want to go to pages. I'm not pages. You want to go to post. So you click post. And then go ahead and delete where it says hello world. You can trash that. All right. I want you to click add new. And right now you're going to add a blog. And this is going to be your first blog. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to title this my first blog. You could title it whatever you want. So I'm just going to say my first blog. Or better yet, let's title it this: Testimony from the Field. Say there's a missionary that God's using in a powerful way on the mission field, and they're sharing a testimony how God's moving. All you got to do is title your blog, and you come down here, you start writing. Hello, everybody. Thanks for stopping by our blog. Here is a powerful testimony from one of our missionaries on the mission field. Boom. And then, of course, you just start writing. I think I spelled missionaries wrong, did I? Boom. Okay. Missionaries on the mission field. And then you just keep writing. But I'm going to take this text and I'm going to copy it. So as if I was writing some more stuff. So I just copy and I'm going to paste like I'm writing. Boom. For the sake of time, I'll just paste. Boom. And you just keep writing how God's moving. Boom, boom, boom. And you write as much as you want. It's your blog. Then you click publish. You click publish again. You now have a blog. If I go to your website and I click blog, there it is, testimony from the field. If I want to read it, I click read more. Boom. Nice and plush too. Man, that's rocking. All right. If you want to add another blog, say you got another testimony or praise report or an update from the church, you can use your blog as your announcement board, however you want to do it. You can make announcements. You want to announce a revival. You want to tell people to tune into a special service coming up. All you got to do is click add new. And then you could say, okay, say you have a service call coming up called Sunday Morning Live, right? So you just type in Sunday Morning Live is the name of the blog, Morning Live. And then you just start typing. Hello, everybody. We want to extend and extend an invitation for you to join us for a special Sunday morning service that we will be broadcasting live. And then you just go on. We're going to have testimonies. Praise. We will have testimonies, right? You could say special music. Let me write testimonies, live music. You could say spoken word, spiritual, or you could say praise dancers. That's exciting. Makes me want to tune in already. And a powerful preaching and a powerful time, you could say, and a powerful time. Boom, right? So then you're done. But I'm just gonna copy for the sake of time and act like I'm writing some more. So then you can just keep writing, boom, 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 and explain whatever everything that's going on, boom, boom, boom. Then you click publish again. You now have two blogs. So when I click blog, I got testimony from the field and Sunday morning live. If I want to read it, I just click read more. There's your blog. That's rocking. That's how simple it is to put a blog on your website. Now, how do you add a small groups page? Well, you do that. You go back to your dashboard and you go to pages. And then you just click where it says small groups, click edit block editor. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to put an image on your page. I did a little image in Photoshop, nothing fancy. All it says is small groups. So I'm going to show you how to add that. So all you got to do is where it says small groups, you click the black plus and you select image. And once again, it's going to give you the option to upload. So I'm going to choose upload. Then I'm going to go to my hard drive and I'm going to choose my image that says small groups. I mean, not that one. Sorry about that. That's the wrong one. Replace, boom, replace it. Click upload. I'm actually going to do this one, the small groups banner. There it is. Okay. Boom. And then I click update. So now if I go to my small groups page, there it is. So now let's add some small groups. So I go back to the page, click the black plus, and I'm going to type in columns. Okay. columns, and I want you to select 3 columns right here, and then click the plus, click paragraph, and you should start typing. Say the name of the small group is the Cool Small Group. Of course, you would put the name of your small groups. You could say, where do they meet? 1, 2, 3. Oops, sorry about that. So where do you meet? 1, 2, 3, 4. Becker Road. Boom. Time. You could say, or you could say day, Wednesdays. However you want to do it. Time, 7 o'clock p.m. You could say information, phone number of your church, or email of the life group leader, small group leader, Bible study leader. Boom. There you go. So then you click update. All right. So now I could take this information, I can copy it, and I'll just paste it over here for the sake of time. But of course, you would have a different life group. You could change the name and all that. Boom. So just for the sake of time, we're just going to paste what I got from here. Show you how it could look with 3 different small groups. I'm going to paste it. Boom. Let me see. Copy it. Make sure I'm copying it. So go here. Control C. And I paste it. Boom. Then I come over here. Paragraph. And I paste it. Now, of course, I could change the name of the small group. So instead of this one being the Cool Small Group, I'll call this one the On Fire Small Group, or the On Fire Group. Okay. Boom. This one could be the Music Group, you know? And then you just say the day of the week they meet. Maybe this one meets on Friday. Maybe this one meets on Friday also, right? Say this one meets at the church. Say this one meets somewhere else. Say this one meets at 2 Belmore Avenue. You know, whatever the address is. Boom. And this one meets at the church. So there you go. You click update. You go to your small groups page. You hit refresh. Now you got a list of small groups. So if I want more information on your church, I want more information on your small groups, all I got to do is go to your small groups page. Now, if you don't feel comfortable putting the phone number of the life group leader instead of information, you can say contact, boom, and you can put the email, Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. That's my actual email. If you have any questions, hit me up. Boom. So then you just put the email of the life group leader, right? Click update. You can even put the name of the person, contact Pastor Dre. Boom. All right. You click update. You go to the small groups page, hit refresh, rocking, and you can put as many small groups as you want. Tell me that's not rocking. All right, let's move on. How do you do a podcast? So right now, you just built, before I go to the podcast, you just built a nice homepage, a nice live webcast page, a nice blog page, a nice small groups page. Come on. Now we're going to build a podcast page. Now, in order to build a podcast page, you need to have a podcast service. You can get a free service at, I think it's called Anchor. Also, Podbean, I believe, offers free service. So all you need is what's called an RSS feed, and you can set up a podcast for free. So the way you set up your podcast page is you go to your dashboard, okay, and go where it says podcast, and you click Edit Block Editor. Okay. Now, once again, I'm going to put another image because I do have a podcast image. So I'm going to add an image to my page just to make it look nice. So I'm going to click plus, then I'm going to click image, then I'm going to click upload, and I'm going to go grab an image from my hard drive. So let's see, church podcast right here. There it is. All right. And then I'm going to click update just to make sure it's saved. Then I'm going to go to our podcast page. Let's see how it looks. There it is. So how do you add the podcast? All right. I'm going to go ahead and log into my service. I have a service that's called Spreaker. Now, like I said, you can set up a free podcast. I believe Anchor is free. Podbean is free. So I have a paid service. So I'm going to go ahead and log in to my service. And once you set up your podcast, all you need is what's called your RSS feed. Okay. So I'm going to go to my podcast and I'm going to go get that RSS feed. Okay. So I'm going to go here. Okay. And pretty much all podcast services, whether free or paid, will give you an RSS feed. And that's all you need. So see where it says RSS link? I'm going to copy that. Then I'm going to go back to my website, and then I'm going to click this black plus. Then I'm going to type in the word RSS. It's going to give me this option. You go ahead and click that. Now, the link that we copied from here, remember this link? You're going to paste that in this box right here, right here. You click Control V on a PC, Command V on a Mac. Then you click Use URL. Okay? Then I'm going to click Update. Now, it's going to take a little time to refresh, to register, but that's no problem. Okay? Once it's registered, your podcast is going to show up. And the cool thing about the RSS feed is as soon as you update your podcast over here, it automatically updates. So that's the cool thing about using an RSS feed. Okay, so now you've just added a podcast to your website. It's going to refresh in a little while. We'll come back and check on that. All right, so now let's go to our homepage. It's rocking. And this was our goal website right here. I think we got pretty close. Nice, right? And then you got your live webcast page, rocking, all for free. You got a nice blog page. Come on. You got a small groups page. And now you got a podcast page. And now I'm going to show you how to build a contact page and we'll be done. So let me go ahead and close this over here, close this over here. The way you build your contact us page is go to your W, and then you go to your pages, and you go where it says contact us, and you click edit block editor. All right. Now all you got to do is insert a contact form. I'm going to show you a place where you can get a contact form for free. I want you to go to jotform.com. Go ahead and click there, jotform.com. Right. And if you click where it says pricing, you can see that you get 5 forms for free. All you got to do is sign up. So just click right here where it says sign up. Sign up with your email or your Google, however you want to do it. I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. And then once you sign up, you're going to get a page that's going to look like the page I'm going to now. Okay, so I'm going to go to my forms. That's where I'm going to go. Now, you're not going to have all these forms because you're new. I have all these forms because I have an account. So once again, you create your account and you click my forms. Okay, and then I want you to click create a form. And once you create a form, you're going to get something that I'm going to choose this form here to edit. You're going to get a page that looks like this. When you click create a form, you're going to get a page like this, but it's going to be empty. To add anything to your form, you just go over here where it says add form element, you click the plus. If you want to add name, you click, drag, drop. There's your name. I'm going to delete it because I already have name. You want to get email, you click, drag, drop. Now you have email on your form. Same thing with phone number. And what I did for this right here, I just scrolled down, see where it says multiple choice. I clicked, dragged, and dropped. And then I just typed in the question: how did you hear about us? And then where the options are, you just type your options: radio, TV, say flyer, say friend. And to add more options, you click add option, and you can say other. Now, the cool thing about it is when they fill out this form, it's going to be sent straight to your email. Because when you signed up with your email or your Google, this information will be sent to that email. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this because I already have it in the form. And there's a form right there, a nice contact us form. I don't like asking for a lot of questions or a lot of information, especially someone's new and you ask for a lot of information. They're probably not going to fill out the form, but just try to keep it simple: name, email, phone number. How'd you hear about us? Done. Now, to put this on your website, and the cool thing about it, it is automatically saves as you make changes. So you go ahead and click where it says publish, click where it says embed, and come over here where it says copy code. You click that. Go back to your website, click the black plus, and I want you to type in HTML. Click that little option right there. And the code that you copied right here, this code, when you copied it, you go back to your website and paste that code right there. And then you click update. So we're going to go to our website and we're going to visit our contact us page. And look what happens. You got a nice little form that pops up. And if anybody fills out this form, it goes straight to the email that you used to sign up. So let's go back to our live webcast page. Now I'm going to link our contact page to this button. So let's go back to our dashboard, click the W. Let's go to our live webcast page. Let's click Edit with Block Editor. Okay. Once the page is done loading up, I'm going to select the Contact Us button. Remember, this little link pops up. I'm going to go to the Contact Us page on my website. So let's go ahead and visit it. Remember how to do it? You get the link from the top, actual URL, you copy it, go back to your website and paste that link in the box right there. Click the arrow, click update. So now, when I'm watching your live webcast and I want to contact you, I click the button. It takes me to contact. But notice something happened. It left the live feed. So I just left service now. If you want people to stay on your service when they click that button, go back to your live webcast page, see where it says open in new tab. So I click the button right here, right? And it gives me the option to select open in new tab. Click that. Then you click update. Then you go to your live webcast page, refresh it. Now watch what happens when I click contact us. If I want to contact you, I get inspired. I'm listening to the preaching. I'm listening to the service. God's ministering to me. I like this church and I want to contact you. I just click contact. It opens in a new page to your contact form. Once I'm done filling it out, I close it. I'm still in your service. That is rocking. Come on, somebody. You just built a 6-page website. You got a home page, live webcast page, blog page, small groups page, podcast page. And there's your podcast. Remember, I told you it's going to take a little time to load? There it is. It's loaded up. And you got your contact us page. You just built a nice 6-page website for your church from scratch for free. Look, if you have any questions, hit me up. Hit me up. I want to help you take your church's online presence to another level. Man, look at this website. This is rocking. People pay a lot of money to get a website that looks like this, and you just built it for free. I want to watch your webcast. Boom. There it is. So now you don't have to promote social media. You promote your web address, right? And eventually, once you're ready to pay for a website, you can get your own domain name for like $15 a year. That's like maybe 250 Rand a year if you're in South Africa. And whatever country you're at, just convert it to $15. Okay. And that's all you, if you want to get a custom domain, it's $15 a year. So instead of sending people to social media, you can send them to, say, for example, yourchurchesname.com, theonfirechurch.com, theradicalchurch.com. So when I visit your website, I can watch your webcast. Now you do have a free website, so you have a subdomain, which could be like theonfirechurch.siterubics.com, which is still better than sending them to social media. Because when I'm on your website, there's so much more I could do. I could watch the welcome video. I can contact you. I can listen to your podcast. I can see where your small groups are at. Maybe I'll join one. I could read your blog, what's happening in your church. I could view your live webcast. This is rocking. If you have any questions, hit me up. You can send me an email. Let me talk to you real quick. Let me go talk to the people. Look, family, it's your boy, Pastor Dre. It's time to take your online presence to another level. If you have any questions, let me put my email in the section over here. Let me see if I can put my email up for you. If you have any questions, hit me up. Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. That's Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. Or you can post the questions in the comment section, even if you're watching it on demand. Maybe you're not in the live webinar and you're watching it on demand. Hit me up. I just showed you how to build a website within under an hour, a nice website from scratch. So if you're watching this on demand, if you have any questions, you can email me or you can post your questions in the comment section and I'll try to reply to them as soon as I can. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. Look, let's take your church's online presence to another level. Let me show you the website one more time. This website is rocking. There it is. Homepage, live webcast page, blog, small groups, podcast, contact us. It's your boy, Pastor Dre. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. And we'll see you on the next one. God bless you.